Welcome to Endless Learning Training Series, the membrane-based desalination technology.
Reverse osmosis plant, instrumentation and control system. In this video we will study about pressure gauge common problem in reverse osmosis plant. Pressure gauge common problem. We will study the following topics: pressure gauge common failures, what causes gauges to fail, pressure gauge parts common damages, preventing gauge failures, pressure gauge common fault, pressure gauge needle stuck, pressure gauge not zeroing, the pressure reading is very far or out of calibration, the worst, pressure gauge not working at all. Causes of gauge failure: mechanical vibration. Process pipeline vibration is one of the most common causes of mechanical gauge failure. Damage to the pointer mechanism from vibration can eventually move a pointer off zero, producing inaccurate readings. Causes of gauge failure. 2. Pulsation. Process pulsations can degrade gauge components, resulting in device malfunction. Causes of gauge failure. 3. Extreme temperature. Hot processes and high ambient temperatures can damage the pressure gauge if temperature limits are exceeded. Very cold environments can cause process fluids to freeze within the bourdon tube and glass screens to crack or break. Causes of gauge failure. 4. Overpressure. Overpressure events can permanently damage mechanical pressure gauges and pose serious safety risks. Overpressure can cause the bourdon tube to deform and split. Causes of gauge failure. 5. Corrosion. Process media may lead to corrosion of the bourdon tube, causing leakage. Highly corrosive media damage the sensing material in the gauges, which would result in dangerous process fluid escaping into the environment. Causes of gauge failure. 6. Clogging. Clogging is an issue due to slurry, pulpy, viscous, and high particulate media can gum up the system. Pressure gauge parts common damages. The most common damage to look for when servicing pressure gauges are friction in pivot bearings or gear teeth, worn parts causing lost motion, backlash, hysteresis, damaged pressure element overloaded beyond elastic limits, blockage to pressure element, leaks in system. Pressure gauge parts common damages: friction in gear teeth, worn segment gear due to mechanical vibration. Pressure gauge parts common damages: worn parts causing lost motion, backlash, hysteresis, due mechanical vibration. Pressure gauge parts common damages. 3. Damaged bourdon tube. Bourdon tube warped split, due to pressure spikes or overpressure. Pressure gauge parts common damages. 4. Corrosion. Holes in bourdon tube. Corrosion failure from media attacking the wetted parts material of the pressure gauge, and also corrosives in the environment attacking the case, window, and gauge internals. Preventing gauge failures. 1. Corrosion solutions. Ensure that the wetted parts material, case material and internals of the gauge are compatible to the process media and atmospheric conditions. Diaphragm sealed solution used for excessively corrosive media applications, Gauge covers protect against environmental corrosion. Preventing gauge failures. 2. Clogging solutions, clogging problems, and highly viscous or clogging process media, diaphragm seal or a seal gauge used to prevent. Preventing gauge failures. 3. Pressure spikes and overpressure solutions, using overpressure protector, shuts off pressure to the gauge, preventing damage to the sensing element. Pressure snubbers protect pressure instruments against surges and pressure shocks. Preventing gauge failures. 4. Temperature solutions, ensure that ambient and media temperatures are within allowable temperature limits of the gauge. Excessive temperature applications may require the use of accessories like siphons, capillary, long pipe, etc. Siphons should be used to protect pressure instruments in live steam service or other hot vapor applications.
Thank you for watching this video.